Hi guys, welcome to our weekly check-in. 每周打卡 Here's the question for you. 今天星期几？今天星期几？ What day is it today? 今天 means today. 星期 means week. 几 is the question word, asking about the number. Here are the 7 days of the week. Let's read them out. 星期一，星期二，星期三，星期四，星期五，星期六，星期天。To answer the question, we use this sentence structure. 今天 Complete the sentence with the day of the week. Say, today is Sunday. In Chinese, it's 今天星期天 Now it's your turn. 今天星期几 Answer it in full sentence in Mandarin. Can't wait to hear your answer.